think that place closed down. Oh, those kids are smoking. I can smell it. But anyways, just doing a quick check of my new setup. It's not really a new setup, it's just a different helmet. So seeing how the audio and video looks on this helmet, I pretty much just transferred everything over from my usual helmet to my backup helmet, since this one's lighter and more comfortable. But just curious with the placement, and because this is a lighter helmet, what the sound's gonna look like if there's more wind or whatever. Anywho, oh, that place is really good. I was just there the other day. I swear, there's always something under construction. I don't know if y'all can see this. That's a pretty cool mural. I think it's newer. I don't remember it being there. But for those of you guys that didn't know, J. Cole was from the city that I currently live in, Fayetteville. And he's pretty dope in my opinion, so there's all kind of stuff around here for him. But yeah, just going for a quick cruise, testing out the new setup. Really, I was looking for some sidewalks to surf a little bit. I could have probably done this one, but I don't know how I'm gonna hop up there now. And yeah, just enjoying the Sunday. There we go. Oop, that's stairs. All right, here we go. Oh, there was a sidewalk on that side too? I don't know why I'm on this side. Whatever. I wonder if I can get down there, if there's a ramp or stairs. Let's find out. Can't wait to get stuck down here. I've never been down here by foot or by bike. Definitely not legal. Or I don't know if it's legal. I just don't want to pop on some stairs on accident. I know this guy's like, what the fuck? What the heck? Can I get out? Can I get out? Oh! The joys of having a small motorcycle. Damn. I might have picked the wrong area to do this in. It seems like there's a lot of homeless over here. What the hell? Alright. Let's keep it moving. But yeah, you guys let me know. Just drop in the comments if you don't mind how the audio and video sounds. I try to be pretty meticulous about making sure everything's lined up correctly every time I remount my GoPro onto my main helmet. And because this is a different helmet, everything fit very differently, so I just kind of had to eyeball it. And then where I have the Dude, I wonder what's back there. Where I have the mic setup in here is also different than my usual setup too, obviously. Can I get up there? What's back here? I just don't want to trespass on somebody's turf. I see there's a bunch of homeless people out here. Damn, bro. I guess I never noticed how much homeless is out here. I don't know, with how many homeless people are out here, this probably attracts a lot of cops, so I probably shouldn't go too crazy right now. Dude, downtown is full of homeless people. I guess you never, that's the thing about being on a bike. You notice a lot of things, or you see a lot of things that you don't when you're driving. Not that my truck sits up super high, but I don't see a lot of this stuff when I'm in my truck, or at least I don't notice it. Maybe onesies and twosies, but not like that. But then again, I'm not driving my truck through the park either, so yeah, well, I don't think they're gonna give me any problems, but just something to be aware of, I guess. There goes the baseball stadium. That place is pretty sweet. Minus the fact that it's like 1,000,000,000 degrees right now. Speed limit 15. Quick one. That's another thing. I'm sure the audio quality is much better when I keep this helmet clamped shut. I just think that airflow is so humid. These studs. Ooh, I saw a Grom hanging with the big boys. Let's go. That little bumblebee looking yellow Grom hanging out with the big bikes. Good for him. This place, dope, really good. Nobody probably lives in my city that watches these. Although that's not true. One guy actually recognized some of the streets that I was riding on, because I'm not sure if you subscribed or not, but if so, District House of Taps, dude. You know that place is solid. It's like a little brewery thing, and they use technology, like little RFID type chips, to charge you for the beers, and you just pour them. They've got tons of different beers on tap. The food's really good too. Anyways, if any of you guys find yourself in Fayetteville, fun fact, J. Cole's from here. Ooh, I was swinging by his house on one of these videos. His house, the one that he's sitting on the roof of on his album cover, is here in Fayetteville. He actually bought it, and now it's like a no trespassing thing. He still owns it. I don't think he does much with it. He might have just bought it for the photo for the album cover. Anyways, fun fact number one, J. Cole's from here. And then fun fact number two, that District House of Tap place that we just drove by is pretty solid. Hey, undisputed best donut at Krispy Kreme, glazed, raspberry filled, fresh. The undisputed champ, forever and always. I don't care about no seasonals. And wacky new donuts that I see, there's one true best, year-round, year after year. It's that raspberry glazed. Those Jersey Mikes. I'll have it Mike's way. Let Mike have his way with it. Let's just say Mike can take his liberties with it. I don't know. I've been seeing those memes lately. Some of them are so stupid. That'll probably wrap it up for this video. Yeah, just toss me a comment. Let me know how the audio video sounds. I plan on swapping back and forth between these helmets as long as everything's okay with this one. And yeah, appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and see ya.